Hello, everyone. Charis. Oh, eh. Hello. Good afternoon, everyone. It's afternoon. It's already 4 in the afternoon. And kagaling ko lang sa labas. May nilakad ako, but yeah. So, today's video, sasagutan natin ang ating second question for our second day of making a video diary. So, yep. Right now, okay. Ba't naman napaka... Ano ba naman yung... Umiiyak yung bata. Anyway, hindi ko alam kung narinig siya sa video, pero sana hindi. But yeah, mamadaliin lang natin yung question na to kasi meron pa din akong gagawin. So, here, next time magre-randomizer siguro ako para mas madali. Ngayon, pipili lang tayo ng question. So, here is it. From the book. From the book. From the book. From my diary. So, here, sasagutan ko is, what advice someone in my family given that I have taken just in time? Well, one of the advice siguro, yeah, I believe na sinunod ko just in time came from my older sister. Yeah, my older sister. Um, actually basically siguro sasabihin ko na nasunod ko talaga siya during high school. Although na-advise na siya or na-advise na siya sa akin ng kapatid ko since elementary pa lang ako. Pero sinunod ko lang talaga siya when nung nag-high school na ako. So this is the advice is not to have a boyfriend yet. Yung wag mo nang makikipag-boyfriend. Yeah, wag mo nang makikipag-boyfriend. Na-realize ko siya na, yeah, just in time. Kasi I realize how big deal it is or how important it is for me not to be in a relationship or not to have a boyfriend while I was studying. Well, I don't have anything against, sa mga kabataan na may mga boyfriend. But for me kasi, the reason why it is something that I have taken just in time is because, when you're in a relationship, there is something that you need to consider or think about. It is spending time, effort, your mental health, your feelings, emotion, and all. And, you know, those are the things that you need to consider when you're in a relationship. And sometimes, yeah, it will cause you distractions. Kung nag-aaral ka, doesn't, regardless, okay, if you're an honor student or not, but malaki kasi yung effect ng um, pagkakaroon ng karelasyon while you are still studying. For me, not maybe not for everybody. Some people may not agree with me, pero para sa akin kasi ganun. Na-realize ko siya nung high school. I learned it. The reason why I realized is because nakikita ko siya from my friends and family. So, parang mini-mirror ko yung sarili ko from them. So, yeah. Hindi ako galing sa isang privileged family and I can't afford to make a single mistake. For example, siguro is teenage pregnancy. Yeah. Maybe some of you will not agree kasi nga sasabihin na may control, pero syempre, let's be honest here. When it comes to relationship, yeah, matutukso. Yun yung nasa isip ko, yeah, as a high school student. May matutukso talaga. So, nakaka-crush ako ganyan. Minsan nag-wonder ako kung ano ay feeling na magkaroon ng boyfriend, pero hindi talaga like totaling pinupush ko yung sarili ko to jump into experience. Kasi nga, mas nangibabaw sa akin yung thinking na I can't afford to waste my time. And also to make a mistake. So, rather than regretting later, na-realize ko na, yeah, I'll just take this advice. Until nag-college ako, graduate ako and all. Until now, ganun pa rin yung thinking ko. Pero, of course, I'm still planning to have a family and be in a relationship, or have a boyfriend. But, yeah, maybe when the time is right, and many of my friends will say na, when is that right time? When you're not. Well, for me, there is a right time, and that right now, it's not the right time yet. Okay? Siguro kung I actually have a plan to have a boyfriend. I have a specific age to have a boyfriend there. And, if it fails, then maybe it's not meant to be for me. So, ganun lang. So, yun. That's the reason why I can say na I've taken it just in time. Kasi right now, I also realize that I have so many plans and I also can't afford to be distracted. And I know my weaknesses. That is why, yeah, when you know your weaknesses, you should know when to like risk and what to risk. And yeah, when and what. And I'm not yet ready to risk something for now. Someday, maybe. And also, yeah, right now I have like siguro other plans pa. And if I would allow myself to be distracted, I'll definitely regret it later. So yeah, maybe some pag dumating yung panahon, siguro na I'll be in a, in intimate relationship. Maybe there will still be a regret, but I know and I am prepared for that already. But right now, I'm not prepared for it. So yeah, that's the main maybe reason why you know perfect timing yung advice na yun para sa akin. I don't know if I answered it correctly or it does make sense, but alam ko medyo magulo akong mag-explain pero sana gets niyo yung point ko. I don't have anything against being in a relationship at such a young age, but bata ka pa kasi, 'di ba? So I think it's better to focus on things that develop or give you development, for yourself. I mean, though, yeah, being in a relationship gives you also something to learn about, but there are things to consider, being in a relationship, like, you know what I'm saying, and financially prepared. Let's be practical about that, though. Maybe for some people, hindi yun parang big deal sa kanila yung about sa financial something, but for people like us na hindi naman yun nga, privileged, it's a big deal. So yeah, I think that's huwag na natin pahabain to. And again, just a quick reminder, okay, this is my personal opinion, so if it's against yours, I respect that. So please respect mine as well. And I'm just sharing this, because yeah, I think there is also someone out there, some people out there that is thinking the same way as I am, and I want them to know that hindi sila nag-iisa. I too. So yeah, that is for today's question. And nasagutin mo na siya, so check ko na ulit siya. Tini. Oh, nahulog. Sorry. I'm not saying that what I am saying is, uso, like, lahat mag-agree. Some people out there will have their own opinion. Will have different opinions. So mine is my opinion. I respect their opinions and also mine. And this is just, and also first of all, this is just my video diary that I want to watch again someday. And yeah, realize, or again, realization or what, reminiscent, ganun. Ganun lang naman. Ganun naman itong video na ito. Purpose ng video na ito. Actually, nagdadalawang isip pa nga ako mag-record ng video na ganito kasi nga, syempre, social media. But yeah, this is what I am risking myself. And I think it's gonna be worth it as I think kasi, syempre, there's something I need to, and wala naman tayong balak mga apak ng tao dito. It's just that I want to hear my thoughts in the future from this video. Yep, that's it. Anyways, yun lang naman, huwag na natin pahabain ng video na ito. I hope that when you watch this video, scary. Anyway, yun lang naman po. And yes, bye-bye na. Ciao.